Introducing the 2025 Subaru Forester. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Embark on new adventures with the Subaru Forester, the perfect SUV for any journey. Equipped with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive and a reliable 2.5-liter boxer engine, the Forester delivers exceptional performance and stability in all conditions. Its spacious, comfortable interior, advanced safety features, and cutting-edge technology make every trip enjoyable and secure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC. This Forester is the perfect blend of comfort and capability. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.